let's read the question first. Okay, let's solve now. A right-angled triangle has an area of 18 centimeters square. One of the two shorter sides is twice the length of the other one. What is the length of the hypotenuse of the triangle? So they're asking for the hypotenuse of that triangle. So we need to find out the hypotenuse. So let's first draw the triangle. Okay. And AC is the hypotenuse, which we have to find. AB is the height, and BC is the base. And it's a right angle triangular. The area here is given 18 centimeter. Now we know the formula for area is half into base into height. So we'll use that formula. We know area equal to half into base into height. Now the area here is given 18 centimeter, so we'll put 18. Now there is also mentioned two shorter sides is twice the length of the other one. So two shorter sides are A and B. So one of the two shorter sides, let's say height equal to 2 base. Height equal to 2 base. So H equal to 2 B. So half into base into, and height equal to 2b. So we'll put here 2b. Now 18 into half into this 2 and 2 cross, and what we get here is b square. Now b square equal to 18. Now b would be root over 18, which is root over 9 into 2, and we get 3 root over 2. Now we got b, the base, which is bc. Now we can find the height easily. As we know, h equal to 2b, so we'll put the value for b, h equal to 2b, which is 2 into 3 root over 2, which is 6 root over 2. So now we got the value for height. So AB is 6 root over 2. Here AB is 6 root over 2, and BC we got is 3 root over 2. So now we can find the AC easily with the Pythagoras theorem or the Pythagoras formula. Theorem or the formula. This is AC square, AB square plus BC square. Now we got the value for AB is 6 root over 2. We'll put the value 6 root over 2 square plus we got the value for BC, which is 3 root over 2. So 3 root over 2 square, and now we can get 6 root over 2, which is 36, and root over 2, that would be 2 plus 3 root over 2, 6, and 18. So we get here 72 plus 18, which is 90. Now AC equal to root over 90. And now we get 3 root over 10 if we root to 90 centimeter. Now there's the hypotenuse length, 3 root over 10 centimeter. So here we can find C. C is the correct 3 root over 10 centimeter. This one was quite easy. Okay, read the question carefully. First of all, there is already given a diagram which shows the part of a glass structure PQRS horizontal square with size of 1 meter, and point X is 4 meter vertically above P, which is the cosine of the angle that XR makes with the horizontal. So I'm gonna draw the diagram simply. This one is the X and this one is P. The length of X to P is given 4 centimeter. I mean 4 meter, sorry. If we join P to R this side, we can get here also a triangle R S. Okay. So PQRS is a square, and given that the sides are 1 meter, like each side are 1 meter, we'll join now P and Q, these two, and we will have triangle PSR, PSR, this triangle. Now we can use the formula Pythagoras, like PR square equal to PS square plus RS square. PR square equal to PS square plus RS square. Now we know the each sides are 1 meter, so basically we are just gonna put the value 1 square, and which should be 2. So PR would be root over 2. Okay, as we know, XP equal to 4 meter, and PR we got root over 2. So let's find XR, the XR, let's find. So XR equal to what? No. Again, we will use the Pythagoras formula. XR square equal to XP square plus PR square. Now the value for XP, we have 4 meter for square, and PR is root over 2. So we'll put here root over 2 square, and that would be 16 plus 2, which is root over 18. Now XR would be root over 18 equal to 3 root 2. Okay. Now we got the value for XR, which is 3 root over 2. 3 root over 2. And PR is root over 2. Now we can easily find the cosine, because we have to find out the cosine here, the cosine of the angle XR. So let's find the cosine. Now in a triangle, adjacent side, and XP is the opposite side. We'll identify with O, like opposite side. Okay, so for cosine, we know cosine equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. So these formulas are important. So please remember this formula. We know cosine equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. So the adjacent is PR, and the hypotenuse is XR. So we know the value for PR is root over 2, and for XR is 3 root over 2. So 2 cut 1 by 3. And this is the cosine value of XR. So cosine equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. So, these formulas are important. You can easily remember, like for sine equal to opposite by hypotenuse, cosine, cos equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, and for tan is opposite by adjacent. So try to remember this value. And we got 1 by 3. Let's move to the question. And we see option A is the 1 by 3. So the correct answer is 1 by 3, A. Let's move to another question. Now the values are given here. RS equal to 1.5 centimeter, TS equal to 1.8 centimeter, QT equal to 0.3 centimeter. Now what we have to find is the length of PS. The length of PS. TS is 1.8 centimeters given, and now we need to find the length of P to S this side. Okay. So first we got QT is parallel with RS. So we'll start with this one. QT is parallel with RS. Now we need to find the value for PS. So PS equal to what? Now here the ratio would be the same, like equating angular triangle. So we can write QT proportional to RS equal to PT proportional with PS. So the value for QT is given here, which is 0.3 ratio 1 point, for value for RS is 1.5. Now we will consider PT this one, we'll consider PT as x equal to PT, and PS would be 1.8 plus x. So we'll put the value PT, we will consider x is to PS would be 1.8 plus x. 0.3 divided by 1.5 equal to x by 1.8 plus x. We will cross multiply, which is 1.5x equal to 0.3, 1.8 plus x. So that would be 1.5x equal to 0.54 if we multiply 0.3 into 1.8 plus 0.3x, 1.2x equal to by 0.54. Now the x would be 0.54 divided by 1 by 2, and the value for x would be 0.45. Now we got the value for x. Now in order to get the value for PS, we need to plus 1.8. So PS would be PT plus TS 0.45 plus 1.8, now which is 2.25 centimeter. Now we got the value for PS is 2.25 centimeter. Now let's see, 2.25 centimeter, the F. So the correct answer is F, 2.25 centimeter. I hope you understand this one. If you understand this one, please write down in the comment section.